PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
There's a better point here. Don't push your elbow back. We can relax and open up the forearm. I opened up the forearm, didn't I? You can't open up your forearm. Why did the elbow joint move to the back? When you push your elbow here, you can only push it back. You won't be able to generate friction. You're locking yourself with your elbow and shoulder joints. So, when you prepare your racket, relax. Do you understand now? Absolutely do not. It's impossible to generate any power like this. You're locking up your elbow and shoulder joints completely. How will you generate power like this? Right, relax. Here is where you relax. Open up here, and you're good to go. Open up while tossing the ball. Open up when tossing the ball. Isn't this the way to do it? Simple, right? Do I feel like pushing forward a bit? Relax. Did I make a long push? Will I push forward? I didn't push at all for the long serve. Did you push or not? And to think about serving short balls, I shouldn't be pushing forward even more. You're moving too much backward now. After the ball drops, you're pushing it out. Of course, there's no spin. Treat it like you're carrying a plate, right? Shouldn't the ball be dropping? Do you need to toss the ball farther? Look, you're moving away as you toss the ball. Receive the dropping ball. Did you generate spin? How do you feel right now? You're pushing the ball out. You're hitting the ball. Push out without spin. Keep going. Use more force towards your body. Did the spin come out? It's coming down. Wait down there. It's coming down again. Catch it and apply force towards your body. Spin came out. Toss it up. Catch it. Ah, toss it up. Catch it. Including long balls. Toss it up. Catch it. Don't wait for the drop. Catch it and apply force towards your body. Not this feeling. Toss it up. I'm not asking for a powerful spin from you side to side, up and down. I'm not asking for a chop from you yet. There's a bit of lob. This is the most basic. It's simple to chop it out, right? There's a slight bit of side spin. Then wait for the ball to drop lower at that point. First bounce should be on your baseline. It dropped low, half push, half side spin. It has a bit of sink, right? It's not a heavy underspin. If he loops it, add a bit more arc. Why isn't it spinning with heavy underspin? It's just a bit sinking. Do you understand? Look again. Look at pure side spin. This is a pure push. You're in between these two. In fact, it's quite similar. You used to push the ball. Look, you used to play short shots too long. Why do we use bottom friction? Friction forward. You spin quite well with your push. When you used to push with heavy underspin, how did it feel? Isn't it about spin? Just a bit of underspin. Actually, the spin isn't strong, but the ball is quite high. You managed to chop the ball right. There's some learning from the serve. This feeling, I'm not purely using the bottom. Understand? I just add a bit of forward rotation at the back. You can push the ball out like this. See, relax. Ah, wait for it to drop. Why? The first bounce should be low so you won't hit it hard. If you hit it hard, won't it bounce high or go out? Shouldn't you wait for it to bounce low? Wait for it to bounce low. Try one. Not difficult. Ah, right. Master the weight distribution well on the first bounce. Weight on the left foot. Let's have a nice backhand flick. This kind of long ball is more effective. It restricts the opponent. Right, that long ball you had before. Throw the ball and spin it one after another. I don't need you to turn when serving. There are many ways to serve. When he tosses it up, you pivot. Turning around makes it harder to generate power. He tosses from your left foot and moves to the right foot. Did you see that he finished with the right foot? Toss it and kick with the right foot. Yes, that's the feeling you want. Right, This feeling is essential. Relax your center of gravity. Your first step is the key. That's good. Pay attention to your first step. Look at it carefully. This is a typical example of where the first step should go. It should go inside the table. Right, isn't it? Beautiful. This serve is better than mine. Okay, good job. Did you notice the center of gravity shifting? Do you need to turn around? Actually, you've already shifted your center of gravity. This kind of long ball is more effective. It restricts the opponent. Right, that long ball you had before. To put it simply, it's all about this feeling. Just turn around and hit it back like this. Fast and long loops. Can you loop the ball? Loop the ball onto the table. Bounce and loop again, like when you were practicing loops as a kid. Have you practiced this? Can you serve one for me to see? Come on. Ah, good serving. Can you loop the ball back to him? Kids understand once they start. You can do it. Right, now loop it back. And serve again. Combine looping and serving. Can you make this kind of ball? Can you serve with spin? Try to feel it. That's it. Go again. Ah, very good. Then integrate the hook motion. Is the preparation for the hook like this? Then toss it. Did your hand come over? Serve the ball. Watch. Add some spin. Is it a loop? Smart. Let me teach you a trick. Your movements are big now. Minimize the motion for looping. For example, my loop. Is this a loop? Good. Keep it minimal. Add the hook motion. See. This is how you loop. Try it. Simple, right? Prepare and toss the ball. Coordinate it. That's the feeling. Focus less on the angle. Great. Go again. Let's do a chop. It's okay. The first step. Why didn't you follow instructions on the first step? It's because when you toss, you're hesitating. Your hand is too tense. Do you understand what I mean? Why not follow instructions? You're not following instructions. You're getting tense. So, relaxing is just like relaxing when looping. Any technique is the same. You need to relax first. Only then can you move freely. Otherwise what? If you're not listening, just relax. Look at relaxation. Got it? Hey, nice. Let's chop one in a relaxed manner. Okay, there's still some subconscious tension. Very good. You can learn so fast. Beyond my expectations. I didn't expect you to learn so quickly. Reset. Very good. The block in front and this topspin. You block and step in the other person's serve. This was a great block to counter the topspin. You got it now, right? Ha ha ha. Again. Ah, very good. The block was excellent. Quick recovery. You push the topspin forward a bit. Do you understand what I mean? Look at my serve and topspin. I don't even look at the opponent. You are a bit. So he was consistent. You make it look like a loop, right? Is it speeding to create a curve? It feels focused. This is how I loop the ball. Isn't it easier for the first ball to go up? Even if you go up. Ah, you also have some friction. But it was consistent. In the end, there is this feeling. Look at the feeling of turning inside. Go up and over. Ah, look. Turn it in. It's over. Did I send the ball in such a way that it bounces? Understand. Smart. This feeling. Fingers and wrist. Oh, this is how you set up in front. Still in the preparation posture for flicking. You must have the preparation posture for flicking. Why? You need to be ready to topspin or block afterwards. But you prepare in advance. When hitting this ball, don't let others know what you're going to do. You're ready to block. This way you prepare. The ball comes and you block it out. Oh, now you want to attack. Do you think your opponent is dumb? Oh, they're all dumb. I don't want others to figure it out. I'm all the same. You look ready to block. When the blade shape changes, understand, you can counter with this. Right. Don't let others see.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.